In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change locale settings in Canva. Before we begin, here's why this matters. Locale settings control how dates and numbers appear in your design, and they also guide how screen readers interpret and read your content. That means choosing the right locale helps keep your project clear, consistent, and accessible to your audience, wherever they are. Start by opening the project you want to update. You'll need to be inside the design editor, not just on the home dashboard. Once your project is open on the canvas, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens a menu with options related to your current design. From here, choose Settings. In the Settings panel, you'll see an option labeled Locale Settings. Click that, and you'll be able to change the locale based on what you need. When you choose a new locale, you're deciding how Canva should display dates and numbers in this specific design. For example, some locales use day, month, year for dates, while others use month, day, year. Numbers can also appear differently. Some regions use a comma as a thousand separator and a period for decimals, while others do the reverse. If your design includes calendars, schedules, prices, statistics, or any date-sensitive or number-heavy information, this change ensures your audience reads everything the way they expect. This setting also helps with accessibility. Screen readers rely on locale to pronounce dates, numbers, and certain abbreviations correctly. If you're sharing your design with a global audience or collaborating with teammates in different regions, picking a locale that matches your audience's reading conventions will make your content easier to understand. A few quick tips as you choose. Make sure the locale aligns with your target audience, not just your own location. After switching, skim through your design to confirm dates and numbers. Look right across all pages. Remember, changing the locale won't translate your text. It only adjusts formatting and how assistive technologies interpret content. If you duplicate the design or export it, the formatting you see should carry through, so set it before finalizing your files. When you're done, you can simply close the settings. Canva applies changes to your design automatically. If you don't see locale settings, double-check that you're in the editor with your project open and look under File, then Settings again. That's all there is to it. By setting the correct locale, you ensure your design communicates clearly, looks professional, and is more accessible to everyone who views it.